Hi friends, welcome to Techno Leadership Insights. Today, I'll share with you case of a technical expert who was well respected for his technical capabilities, got into very difficult situation due to organizational dynamics. Joe was the chief engineer in a major shipping company. He joined the company as engineer and risen to the position of chief engineer due to sheer hard work and dedication. His position was critically important because the company often transported toxic materials, and accidents in the industry would cost lives and billions of dollars in damages. Joe was highly competent. In fact, the CEO Steve often said he was able to sleep at night because he knew Joe was very vigilant in keeping the vessels in top notch condition and avoiding equipment failures. Despite these strengths, Joe faced difficulty at work. He was struggling to deal with changing tides of power and authority. Steve was convinced that without a high degree of teamwork, a devastating accident would take place sooner or later. So, he launched a significant cultural change initiative under the leadership of new Vice President of Operations Bob. Joe had line authority over engineers working in the field, alongside operations managers reporting to Bob. These people were expected to make decisions together, often right on the spot. Yet, reports coming back from the field told a story of tense relationship and little cooperation. And many employees pointed to Joe as the source of unease. He was accused of not permitting field engineers to make decisions without first consulting him, even on routine matters. Joe had strong ideas about how things should be done. They were often in conflict with ideas of field engineers. Bob discussed this with Joe many times, but Joe would brush aside, saying, even matters that seem trivial may lead to cascading effect, leading to major disaster. They are in a industry where there is no scope for learning from mistakes. Even a simple mistake can sink the company. Tension between Joe and Bob continued to escalate to the point where the two men hardly be in a room together. Bob discussed this with Steve in detail and convinced him that they need to take some hard decisions. Steve was ready to move Joe out of his role, even though it would have meant sacrificing a wealth of experience and knowledge. Steve met with Joe and talked about changing business situation and why Joe had to adapt to new reality. Joe was frustrated with the situation he was in. He felt he was the victim of organizational politics. His capabilities, commitment, and expertise were not valued by the company. He knew he had to make a tough call pretty soon, either change his way of working or quit the job. Why did Joe get into such a situation? If Joe were to come to you for advice, what would you tell him? Will Joe follow your advice? Why? Do share your thoughts and experiences in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.